Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my videos, let me tell you this is a series I am making for CAT 2025 where I'll be discussing what are the topics I'm revising, what are the tests I'm giving, all sort of things. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, I have given the VARC sectional test number 9 on the Allied Grade platform and I have scored 34 in it. So 18 marks I scored in the VA part because out of the 8 questions I attempted only 6 questions and all the 6 questions were correct for me. So 6 into 3 is 18 I have scored from the VA part, and from the RC part I have scored 16 marks. Now what happened was out of the 4 RCs, 2 RCs from the social science and 2 RCs were from the humanities. I left the humanities RCs. Why? Because when I tried to skim the RC, like understand what is it about, one was on history which was so dense just to look at it, and the other one was on philosophy. It was not so dense. The Aristotle and such kind of names were there. I was able to understand, but I thought I'll try it later on. The reason being the other two RCs which were on the social science, one was on economics, monopoly of companies. So that was the topic, and I was able to comprehend it very well. And when I tried to answer the questions, out of the 4 which I have attempted from that RC, 3 were correct and one was incorrect. Now the other RC which I have attempted was again a social science RC, but it is on psychology. So psychology of pride, if I have to be specific. So that was also easy for me. I have attempted 4 questions from that RC as well, and 3 were correct, 1 was wrong. So 8 questions each in both the RCs. Total I got 16 marks from there, and from the VA part I have got 18. So 16 plus 18 I got 34. There is a learning over here. What is it? Because if you remember, not in the last week but last to last week when I discussed in my videos, I told that I understood that I need to practice genre specific RCs. So that was the reason in the career launcher platform, with respect to the eclectic reading, I tried to cover the humanities that particular week, but social science also I did. And today in the test I understood. Meanwhile, I have practiced RCs and even I have given 2 mock tests as well, the CAT 5 and the Allied Grade mock 1. But there I was not able to figure out, okay, this is what happened. But today when I was giving this particular sectional test, maybe this is the reason sectional tests are also important. But when I was giving this, what I have realized is, for me, in social science, most of the topics are at least comfortable to me. Most of the topics, in the sense, because in social science itself we have sociology, economics, politics, so that kind of stuff is kind of easy for me, is what I have understood. In humanities, even psychology in social science is also easy for me kind of. But in humanities, if I have to talk, we have this history part, okay, we have philosophy in that, and we also have what we call this literature in that. So these kind of topics are in the humanity, and I'm not completely, what I should say, comfortable with all the topics of humanities. So that is the reason in today's sectional test, even though 2 RCs are from humanities, I was not feeling comfortable with that particular genre. So this is what I have learned from this particular sectional test majorly. So I'll definitely focus on this particular issue, because obviously we don't know what is the difficulty level we will get in the actual CAT exam of any genre. Even though if we practice, let's suppose if I am saying ki theek hai, philosophy articles, philosophy RCs I will solve of any difficulty level, just like we do for the quants part. Basically, if we talk about algebra, because it is kind of comfortable for me, I'll be like, theek hai, at least 9 out of 10 times I'll be able to solve the algebra questions in the exam. I can't bet in the same way for the VRC. If I'm good with philosophy RCs, still I can't bet on it, because first I need to understand the RC given, and then I need to solve the questions, option traps. So a lot of layers are there in the VRC RCs. So I need to tackle it, but at least to reach that level, first of all I need to be comfortable with the topic. That is my whole point over here. Still we have a lot of time left. So each and every topic, each and every genre, one by one, I'll be trying to build my skills basically, because learning has already been done. It's not like कि पूरा ही अजीब सा लग रहा है आरसी पढ़ के, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट थिंग इज लाइक वी नीड टू हैव दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि ठीक है, लाइक दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस विद दिस पर्टिकुलर जॉनर काइंड ऑफ आरसीज एंड व्हाट कैन बी द क्वेश्चंस which can be made on this particular genre. So something like that. So this is about the VARC part. With respect to quants, yesterday I have given the quant sectional test. So today I tried to analyze it because yesterday I didn't get enough time. And with respect to DLR, if I have to talk, as of now the crash course is going on, and there the faculty has given us some must attempt questions or sets, if I have to say. So उनमें से कुछ मैंने नहीं किया था पहले, तो टुडे आई ट्राइड टू सॉल्व सम ऑफ देम. So this is what I have done with respect to DLR, quants and VARC overall. That's it for today. See you guys tomorrow again. If you want, you can connect with me on my Instagram. Link will be in the description below. See you guys tomorrow again. Thank you. Bye bye.